Hey songwriter, have you ever wondered how highly successful songwriters and artists make it look so easy? Do you get the feeling there is something fundamentally different about them? Something they were just born with that makes it easy for them to be so successful? What if I told you there is something different about them, but it's some things you can replicate to spur your own songwriting on to greatness? Well, in just a minute, I'm going to tell you 3 things the world's most successful songwriters do to fuel their success and set them apart from your run-of-the-mill struggling songwriters. Hi guys, I'm Beth Champion Mason, founder of 5 Star Songwriting, where we help struggling songwriters expand their expertise and achieve their 5-star potential so they can write songs that impact the world. When I was first starting out as a songwriter many years ago, I knew God had called me to write songs, but the songs I was writing at the time were not good, to say the least. I floundered around for a long time, trying to find the secrets to great songwriting. And I made some expensive mistakes and squandered many years and thousands of dollars on songwriting courses and competitions and books and classes and retreats and mentorships that promised the moon and stars, but often didn't deliver. Now, I've finally been able to reach my songwriting goals, and I want to help you do that too. So let's get right to it. The first thing that most successful songwriters do is write every day. Yes, every single day. Sure, they might take a day off here and there, but they don't wait for inspiration to strike them like songwriting is some kind of magical thing that happens to them instead of something they choose to do. That's not to say you won't occasionally still be hit by that feeling that makes you jump out of bed at 2 a.m. to write down the amazing idea that just came to you in a dream. But when you're flexing your songwriting muscles every day, you'll be in much better shape to capture and develop that amazing idea when it comes. Number 2, great songwriters aren't afraid to write other people's stories. Now, what I mean by that is, sure, they're going to still write stories and emotions and experiences from their own lives, but they also keep their writing antenna up every day and to be on the lookout for other people's stories. We are bombarded with stories every day through movies and TV and social media and neighborhood gossip. And I can tell you, many of those stories will be way more interesting than anything that happened to this work-at-home homeschool mom in the past few weeks. So don't be afraid to take one of those stories and explore it in a song. It could be the best one you've ever written. And lastly, number 3, and this one may shock you the most, great songwriters write a lot of bad songs. And you should too. Because, one of the best songwriting lessons I ever learned was how to write for the trash can. Just keep writing. And once you have a few in hand, then go back and sort through them. Decide which ones are top shelf, which ones are middle of the road, and which ones were just a good exercise or therapy. Those ones are useful too. You guys, I'm Beth Champion Mason, and I'm on a mission to help Christian songwriters explode their expertise so they can increase their impact and advance the kingdom of God. If you know an inspiring songwriter who needs help, please do me a favor and share this video with them. Tag a Christian songwriter you know who needs to hear this message, and let's help them become the impactful, influential songwriter they are called to be. And hey, if you'd like to get more tips, tools, and training like this, go to my website, www.5starsongwriting.com, where I have a free special gift for you. Until next time, keep writing and aim for the stars.